Hey guys, it's Daniela, and we're on our way to the KitKat Chocolatory on Queen. This is a 4-week pop-up where you can come and customize your own KitKat chocolate bar. You can even design the wrapper on their super cool computers. I can't wait to try it. We're also gonna get to try some special edition KitKats that are only available for a limited time. Let's go, I can't wait! So we just arrived at the KitKat Chocolatory. I'm so excited to explore. There's entire walls of chocolate, and I can't wait to try it all. Massive hall with special edition Kit Kats, and this is the only place in Canada where these flavors are available. You can get flavors like espresso, cookie, and hazelnut, and caramel, popcorn, and almond. So one of the really cool things about the KitKat Chocolatory is that you get to try the new Ruby KitKat chocolate flavor. Create your break and customize your own KitKat bar. I've waited my entire life for this moment, and I love chocolate, so I'm really excited. All right, let's create. So first I get to choose what type of chocolate: white, dark, or milk chocolate. Milk chocolate. Next I get to choose 3 flavors. There's so many flavors here, I have no idea what I'm gonna try. I'm gonna use dried raspberries, because I love fruit, Rice Crisps to make it a little bit crunchy, and toasted coconut. Break and customize your own KitKat bar. I'm super excited to see how mine turns out. Tina here is gonna help me create my own break. So we're ready to get started on my KitKat bar. Are you gonna help me out? Break, and we're at the final step. It looks really cute with the raspberries, the coconut, and the Rice Crisps, and I can't wait to try it. So I created my own break and customized my own KitKat bar. I'm kind of nervous to try it. I really hope it's good, but it looks really good. It's really good. Dried raspberries should be on every chocolate bar. This is delicious.